Welcome back to Cheer Up. This time let's see how turmeric powder is made at home traditionally. Here you can see all the fresh turmeric roots that are dug up. The first step is to remove the mother rhizome from the rest of them. These mother rhizomes are planted again for new turmeric to grow. This time we are not planting them again, we will powder this also in the end. It is easy to identify mother rhizomes as they have small tapering roots on them all over. Simply use your hands and if required a knife to separate the mother rhizome from the rest of the roots. Next, wash the separated turmeric roots thoroughly in water. You will have to change the water about 4 times for all the soil to wash away. After washing, you may peel the skin if the turmeric is treated with pesticides. As ours is organic, we are keeping the skin intact as it is packed with nutrition. Next step, as you can see here, is the boiling process. This is optional. If you dry the turmeric raw without boiling, its shelf life decreases and so gets spoiled fast. But raw turmeric is considered more potent than boiled ones. Also, if you are giving it to temples, they prefer raw turmeric powder. So, the choice is yours. Here we are boiling it. Keep adding water as you will be able to see that the water dries up very quickly. To check if it is boiled, take a turmeric and break it. If it breaks easily, then it does not require any more boiling. Remove the excess water, if any, using a sieve. Now, spread the turmeric out and let it cool for some time. Cut them into pieces for easy drying. It took 3 days in the sun for all this turmeric to dry completely. By the time our turmeric gets sun-dried, let me give you a grandma tip. Whenever you harvest turmeric, which is usually in the months of January and February, always do so in the full moon week. The best time to harvest turmeric is from 5 days before full moon to 2 days after full moon. It is believed that by harvesting turmeric during that time, there will be less chances of bugs spoiling the turmeric powder prepared out of them. I don't know how true it is, but that is what my grandmom told me. Now, as you can see here, our turmeric is all dried properly. To know if it is dried properly, just try breaking the piece with your fingers. It should break easily. Now, rub the dried pieces on any hard surface to remove any rough skin particles. You may use a traditional winnower to remove any dust particles also. After this, the turmeric is ready to be powdered. Now, if you are using the mother rhizome also for powdering, then you should do the whole process separately for mother rhizome. First, as you can see here, my grandmom is taking off all the little tapering roots that is there on the rhizome. After this, the same process is repeated for mother rhizome. Now, it is ready to make turmeric powder. If powdering from home, cut them up a little bit and put them in the blender. Blend them well till they become a fine powder. Use a sieve to separate larger particles and blend them again for a fine powder. As we have a large quantity, we give it out to a mill for powdering. You can powder the mother rhizome also separately. The powder you get from it is a little different shade of yellow. You can use it just like you use the other turmeric powder. Hope you all liked this video. Meet you next time with another video. Thank you.